Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Learn Physics. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about electromagnetic waves. This is the second part of that chapter. Here, today we are going to discuss about the uses of electromagnetic spectrum. In electromagnetic spectrum, last class we learned about the RAM elixir, right? So, radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, visible rays, ultraviolet, X-rays and gamma rays, everything we learned, and about the frequency, wavelength changes and all we learned. Right. So today we are going to discuss about the uses of all these rays. First we are going to discuss about gamma rays. Okay, last class we learned about the frequency and wavelength of these waves and how this gamma rays will be produced. See, we know that it is very energetic waves. Gamma rays are highly energetic and which is produced by the nucleus of radioactive substances. From the radioactive substances, when atoms are evolved, that's producing from that. Okay, gamma rays will be producing, which high energy, high, see, nuclear reactions when it is happening, we know high amount of energy is releasing. So along with that, gamma rays will be producing. That is, the gamma rays means it is high energy is producing. So its different uses are and its properties are mentioned over here. It is having high penetrating power. It has high energy used to initiate some nuclear reactions. I told you it is having high energy. So it is used to initiate some nuclear reactions, and it is produced by in nuclear reaction. Production also, it's how it is producing a large amount of energy whenever and all in mega electron volt only in this nuclear reactions and all energy will be producing. So it is produced in nuclear reactions. So the next ray which we are going to study is X-rays. So X-ray is very familiar to everyone. X-rays, right? It is used in medical diagnostic. See, if any damage or any, say, if it is our bone has any issues or in our inner organs are having some issues, means the doctors will suggest for finding out. Usually in ortho, they will be suggesting X-rays, right? Used in medical diagnostics, and in engineering purpose also they will be using X-rays. Why they are using in engineering purpose? That is to detect the faults and cracks and holes in metal products. So testing welding, castings and molds, that and all, to find out the mistakes, flaws in these production units or in the equipments which are producing, whether any flaw is there or not, any crack is there or not. It's used for finding out that one. Next is used to study the crystal structure. See, crystal structure can be identified with the help of this X-rays and produced. It is how it is produced when high energy electrons stopped suddenly on a metal of high atomic number. In that way we can produce X-rays. And another many more uses are there in scientific research also, in crystal structure, arrangement of atoms. In that cases we are using X-rays. And industrial preparation, pearls in oysters and defects in rubber tires, everything we can find out with the help of this X-rays. Okay, so the next one is UV rays. It is used for checking mineral samples. So that is the first use of UV rays, used for checking mineral samples through the property of UV rays causing fluorescence. The next one is used in the study of molecular structure, arrangement of electrons in external shell. we can find out with the help of the UV light absorption spectra. From that only we will be identifying the molecular structure. Next one, used to destroy the bacteria in sterilization process, which is happening, which is done using this UV rays. Burglar alarms. Next uses used in burglar alarms, used to preserve the foodstuffs, and LASIK eye surgery for killing the germs in water purifier. In all these cases, we are using UV rays. Now, how it is produced? Very hot bodies. Sun is producing UV rays, right? Now we know it's ozone layers. If there is a hole, since many holes are there in the UV, there's ozone layers. UV rays is directly coming to us, to Earth, right? So sun is producing UV rays, and apart from that, any very hot objects will be producing this UV ray. Next one is visible light. Visible light is emitted or reflected from objects around us. So visible light, we know what are the uses of this visible light. We can see the world, microscope, telescope, photography. To all these purposes, optical microscopy produced due to atomic excitation. It is produced due to atomic excitation. The next one is infrared rays. See, what are the uses of infrared rays? It is used in physical therapy. See, if any muscle strain is there, they will be using this infrared rays as a physical therapy. For a physical therapy, they are using infrared rays to provide electrical energy to satellite. For satellite, they will be providing electrical energy using the solar cells. And in solar water heaters, solar cooker, there and all, they are using infrared rays or IR rays. Used for producing dehydrated fruits. It is having the heat energy is more for that, right? So dehydrated fruits, to produce dehydrated fruits, they are using infrared rays. Used to reveal the secret writing on ancient walls. It is used for finding out the secret writings. And then in weather forecasting, also they are using this infrared rays. So these are some of the uses of infrared rays, and for checking the purity of chemicals. For that purpose also infrared rays are used. Okay, how it is produced? This also produced by hot bodies. Next is microwaves. So what are the uses of microwaves? Microwaves means first itself it will come to our mind microwave oven, right? Or in oven it is using microwaves are using, and in microwaves are used in radar systems also. See, using this radar system, it will be helping to find out the speed of tennis ball, cricket balls, and all. Usually we know they will be writing down the speed of this one. How? With the help of this microwaves only they will be analyzing this one. Okay, then next one is used for microwave cooking and used for observing the movement of trains. Okay, so where it has reached, that and all we can identify from the using microwaves only. They are identifying all those things. Okay, how it is produced? Produced by special vacuum tubes called klystrons, magnetrons, etc. So using this vacuum tubes, we are producing microwaves. Next one is radio waves. As the name says, it's used in yes, communication purpose. Amplitude modulated wave for sky wave propagation, for ground wave propagation, and then in televisions, radio and all, we are using this radio waves. Sky wave propagation, ground wave propagation, and used in TV and mobile communication. Okay, then how it is produced? Produced by oscillating electric circuits having inductor and in LC circuit. In yesterday also we learned about that, right? So it is radio waves. This is the uses. Okay, so these are some of the important uses of the different kinds of electromagnetic waves. So I think it is clear for you. If you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.